Hey folks, today we're going to look at Lucid's 10-inch memory foam hypoallergenic bamboo charcoal breathable cover mattress. It's available in the 2019 and the 2020 model. Soon the 2021 model has free returns, and it's an absolute steal available on Amazon. With over 23,000 ratings, this is Amazon's choice for Lucid 10-inch mattress, and it's an absolute bestseller on Amazon. The product dimensions are 54 inches by 75 inches by 10 inches, and it is CertaPure US. It comes compressed, rolled, and shipped right to your doorstep. Easy installation. One of my favorite aspects of this mattress is the gel-infused memory foam. The gel-infused memory foam is actually very cool sleeping. It's available in twin, twin XL, full, full XL, queen, queen short, king, and California king. It's described as medium firmness, but there's also a plush, which is a little bit softer option available as well. The bamboo charcoal base foam is actually very supportive. It minimizes odor, and it's actually great for the environment, and for people with allergies, it's a great option. The 10-inch is a great option for back sleepers and side sleepers. Even heavier people, I would say up to about 300 pounds, will have no problem sleeping on this mattress. Picking up a mattress on Amazon is a great idea. You can see other people's ratings after they've slept on it. Plus, you can return it with Amazon's free shipping, free returns, and A to Z guarantee. Order today, you won't be disappointed.